This is Peggy Fisher-Hansen with the Spa at River Ridge, and I'm going to teach you how to do a tint retouch on your hair. When you purchase a color kit, you will receive a bag like this, and it'll have your name on it. And inside there's a piece of paper that will have directions for how to apply the color. I did not put that paper inside my bag. There will be a foil like this, and this is your color, your developer, everything that needs to be mixed together in order to make the color. There will be a hair color brush. There's not a bowl in there. If you could just get a disposable brush, a disposable bowl, or a Tupperware bowl, or if you have a glass bowl that you can clean out well afterwards, that works well too. So I'm going to get everything out of my kit. You'll have a pair of gloves. You want to make sure that you put an old towel down on your area that you're going to be applying your color. These are eyeglass covers that if you need eyeglasses in order to put the color on, you can protect your eyeglass cover, little arms of your glasses with these plastic covers. You can take them off with a paper and put them on there. I also have some color remover in here, some shampoo, and the barrier cream. So the first step that you'll need to do is take the barrier cream. A little bit goes a long way, and what you want to do is just put it all the way around your hairline. This will help so that your skin doesn't get stained from the color. You want to put it around your skin, but try not to put it on the hair that you're going to be coloring. So put it all the way around on the tops of your ears, in the back of your head, all around the area that you think you're going to get some color on you and you don't want to stain. Once you've done that, then you can put your gloves on that are in the bag. Open up your foil packet. Some people have 3, some people have 4 cups. It all depends on the formula that we had to mix up for you. So all 4 of these, or 3 cups, however many are in the foil, need to be mixed together. So some of it is the color and some of it is the hydrogen peroxide. Because the way that we're packaging it now in airtight containers, I can mix it up ahead of time and you can pick it up anytime within the day that you purchased it. What you want to do is empty everything into the bowl from all the cups that were in that foil packet. Just put them all together here. And then mix it up. So the color does not start to activate until you mix all this together. So that's why now you can get the color and apply it within the day of when you're going to be using it. It doesn't have to be used within 2 hours like we used to be doing. So once you have that thoroughly mixed, you'll want to take your hair, this is my Corona hairdo, and you'll want to brush your hair out really well. And the color is only for your regrowth only. So you want to find a natural part where you naturally part your hair. And that's the area that we're going to start to apply the regrowth. So you want to part it all the way back and begin in the back and work your way forward. So on both sides of the part, you want to apply the color. It's okay if you go past the point of the regrowth, but if you can try to just do the regrowth, that works better. So what I'm going to do now is I did my part. Now I'm going to do all the way around my face because that's where the gray is the most resistant and where you are seeing the gray more than anywhere else. So you want to make sure you get all that really well. So all the way around the hairline, around your face. If you want to go ahead and apply it in the back, you can apply all the way around the hairline and the whole head. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the end of the brush, I'm going to part down the right side of the part that I already have. And again, I've got this section of hair and bring it over, and I'm going to apply on the regrowth in that whole section. I'm going to go ahead and take another part, take like 1/2 inch sections, small sections, not any bigger than 1/2 inch, 1/4 to 1/2 inch is best. And you just want to keep going back as far as you can go. When you put the part across there, apply the color on the regrowth as far back as you can see in the mirror. And I'm going to go ahead and continue down the side of my head in this fashion all the way to my ear. Of course, I'm probably doing this a little quicker than what you'll be able to do, especially the first time doing it. Okay, once I got this section done, then I'm going to start back at the top again where my part was, my very original part. And I'm going to go ahead and hit that part one more time. And then I'm going to start to take sections down that way and hit my regrowth. Just got some color on my shirt. That's something I forgot to tell you. Make sure that you are wearing an old t-shirt or something that can easily go over your head, because when you go to wash your hair, you will be needing to take the shirt off over your head. So you will need to have something that you don't mind is going to get some color on it. And making sure that your area that you're working in your bathroom or wherever you're working is covered by an old towel. The hair color can stain the hair, and it can stain the sink or your shower. So you just want to be careful and make sure you wipe it up right away and keep it covered. So again, I'm working down this side of the head all the way to the ear. And before I move on to the back, I'm going to go back through again and hit it around my face one more time. And then to do the back, you really need somebody else's help. So if you can get somebody to go ahead and start to section off, starting at the top and working your way down, 1/2 inch sections, just getting that back area. A lot of times when I'm doing my hair myself, I don't even worry about the back, because a lot of times the top hair covers the back, and you don't really need to do the back every time unless you see areas that really need it. So get somebody to help you in the back. Once you have it applied, on the back sheet of your papers, you'll see a processing time. And on the processing time, as soon as you get it all applied, from that point, set your timer and let it process that amount of time that it says. When you're getting ready to shampoo your hair, what you'll do is go ahead and get the shampoo that we've given you in your packet. And what you want to do is get in the shower, put your head back and rinse it really well until you can't see any more color coming out on the floor of the shower. And then shampoo it twice with the shampoo. This is enough shampoo for like 4 shampoos. So it's a great shampoo. It helps close down the cuticle of the hair, helps lock in the color. So it's good to use the first couple times after you shampoo your hair after doing the color. So shampoo it really well. A lot of times I don't need conditioner after I use this shampoo because your hair just feels so good afterwards. But if you feel like you need a little bit of conditioner, you can use the conditioner in the shower. And then towel dry and go ahead and style as normal. And then the other thing that's in your packet is this color remover. It's a liquid. You can just use a tissue or a towel, an old towel, dip it in there. And when you get out of the shower, if you have some staining, you can just go ahead and use that to remove any staining. But the barrier cream, the shampoo, the color remover, the brush, these are all things that you could keep and use probably for the next time. Hopefully there is no other next time and we'll be back to this salon doing it. So there's the tips for the new process that we are doing with the hair color. If you have any questions, again, my phone number is on all the sheets that are in the kit. You can call me, you can text me any hour of the day. I'm available for you. And thank you again for your support. We really appreciate you helping us out, and hopefully we're adding a little bit of comfort. Nobody needs to be seeing unwanted gray right now or unwanted hair color. And if you are a new guest to the spa, we have figured out a way now that we could FaceTime you and create a color kit based on a FaceTime call with you. So tell your friends if they need help. It's a much better product than using anything in the store. The store brand products are not good on your hair. It can get a really muddy, not so pretty color, and you don't have the support like you do with what we're doing. So thank you again, and we're praying for you all and hope you're all safe. Thank you. Bye.